Welcome back to the course. Super excited to have you back here on board. In this tutorial, you don't have to do anything. This will just be a quick demonstration. And the reason for it is because Tableau introduced some very exciting updates in version 2020.2 and onwards. And they introduced this data model, which means the way that the following tutorials, what you see in the following tutorials in this course, will sometimes be different to what you see in Tableau. So that's why I wanted to create this tutorial, to make sure you can get through them without any issues. So once again, you don't have to do anything. You'll get this data set in the next tutorial, and you'll be able to follow along. Just in this tutorial, I wanted to give you that heads up and show you what one extra step you need to do. So here we've got list of orders, which shows orders for a certain store. And as you'll see, we'll want to connect this data to another table, which is called order breakdown, which gives more information about each order. So what you'll see me do in the following tutorial is just take this table and drag it into the same window. Now, previously in Tableau, that would create a join. Right now, it creates a relationship. And here's the reason why. Tableau introduced a data model where now there's a logical layer for tables. Like right now, we're looking at the logical layer. And at the logical layer, tables are connected with relationships. We will definitely cover off relationships, but that will happen at the end of the next section of the course. For this section and for the start of the next section, we want to proceed with joins. So how do we get to joins? Well, we need to go to the physical layer of Tableau. So to start off, I'm going to remove this order breakdown. And in order to go to the physical layer, there's just one simple step that you need to do. In order to get there, just double click. And if you hover, you'll see actually a pop-up say, double click this table to add joins or unions. So all you have to do is double click the table and then you're in the physical layer. So now if you take order breakdown, you drag it in, now you have a join. So this icon signifies that you have a join and you have different types of joins, everything we'll discuss. And then if you want to close this physical layer, just click the X over there in the top right. And now you have a table that contains a join inside. So you can always get back here by double clicking, and you're now back in the logical layer. So just look out for that. An easy telltale sign is this icon. If in the video you see this icon, then you need to be in the physical layer and creating a join. And once again, later on, we'll cover off relationships. So there you go. Enjoy the upcoming tutorials, and I'll see you next time. Until then, happy analyzing.